Welcome back to the channel. This is another sci-fi unboxing, namely the small Dune Spice Harvester from the latest iteration of the Dune franchise. There's been two parts so far. Anyway, there's what the box looks like. Nice bit of artwork there showing some weathering schemes, etc. On the side, there has some more pictures of it. And same thing with the other side there. It does show the placement of the two decals that come with the kit. The instructions, like some of the other ones from this series, are located on the back of the box. Very low part count. So basically top and bottom halves, the 16 tracks that are put together that are made up of 4 parts each. So that's a fair bit of assembly, a repeated assembly. And then the rest of it goes on fairly straightforward. If it's like other models like Mung, similar to Bandai, you probably will achieve a snap fit. You won't necessarily have to use glue because the fits are usually pretty excellent on these. Anyway, let's get opening. There is a total of 4 sprues and 1 decal sheet, as I said, with very few decals. So let's have a look and see what is contained in the box. So I will move the sprues out of the way for now. We have the decal sheet with, like I said, a grand total of 3 decals for the side of the Spice Harvester. Hopefully that comes into focus for you. Sprue A consists of the top and the bottom of the Spice Harvester. Very nicely molded. There's a lot of detail on the top there. That's sprue A. Sprue B consists of the ends of the Spice Harvester and the sides, and some of the attachment points for the tracked wheels. Again, very nice, fine, detailed molding on these. Other than Bandai, Mung's doing a really good job with their molding. Sprue C contains the Spice, I guess, vacuum devices, the gatherers. I guess that's what these would be, as well as the 16 side, left and right side tracks assemblies for the tracks. And then, of course, the actual tracks themselves and another end. Obviously, these aren't individual links, thank goodness, or you'd be spending an awfully long time doing them. But there are 16 top and bottom. Looks like they'll go together very well, straight push together. And like I said before, I'm sure the molding will be absolutely excellent. Haven't got a scale for this. I've read somewhere that it could be 1/300th, but I don't know if that's the larger one that's been released as well or the smaller one. We'll have to look that up another time and see what we can find. I'm sure someone's figured it out. So that is the Mung Spice Harvester from Dune. Available pretty well anywhere. It's still very common, a lot of stock and a lot of online, and probably at your local hobby store as well. As always, don't forget to look up blackfire.ca for a full photo gallery and a copy of this video. As well, we do a podcast, me and a few friends, the Scale Model Podcast at scalemodelpodcast.com. So don't forget to check that out. And as always, thank you, be safe, and be well.